Good afternoon, gentlemen. I hope you're well. In this video, we're doing a quick tutorial on a BuyBot. So I've had a number of requests on doing BuyBots, how to set one up, and I've picked one that is very simple to set up called BBuyBot, I believe. And I'm going to quickly run through how to do it step by step, even if you've never set up a Telegram bot. So this is going to show all the trades, transactions, etc. through Telegram. And if you've made a token or you're a part of a token, this is how to set one up. So I've made a group. I think it's a private group. Who knows? But you can quickly change that. So what I'm going to do, first step, is to add members. So I'm going to type it in BBuyBot, and you can it's pretty much the same step for most ones, but I'm going to use this because it's pretty easy to set up. So we've got it into the group. Second step is we're going to make it an admin. Now, if you turn your private group into a public group, you may have to re-admin it, especially if you're setting up a portal. Sometimes it gets messed up. I don't know why, but third step is we're going to do / and we're going to click start. Now this bot has a buy competition. It also has a raffle where anyone can enter if you're using this bot. So people from other tokens will enter. And they've also got a lottery as well. But for now, we're going to set up the buy bot. Now this is a pretty solid bot in terms of, setting up competitions, etc. So I like it in that regards. So we've got token, we've got minimum buy, emoji, media. So we're going to upload a picture, and you can also, I would advise, add in your Telegram group once you set it up. So token wise, what we're going to do is we're just going to pick a random token, copy the contract address, go back to the group, click token, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just copy it in. Minimum buy, I want, let's say 0.01. You can change this as you go. Emoji, you can obviously pick one. Let's put a little clown emoji, and then we're going to click start. I haven't set up, media or ad group. Likewise, like I said, you can set this up afterwards. So this should be bringing in buys as it sets up. But if you want to reconfigure it, you can go to BuyBot, live buys. Yeah, this one. So let's say we want to change it and we want to make the minimum buy 0.02. We can do so. So that's all done. It's all set up. In a few minutes, we'll see some buyers rolling in. But for now, that's literally a quick, simple way to set up a buy bot. You can have multiple buy bots. So if you want to use other type of bots, you can add it. But for now, I recommend this one works perfectly. All the best and take care.